Welcome, and I'm having a conversation with two individuals today from the Youngstown Community Health Department, including my guest who joined me last week, Andrea Bivens and Elizabeth Rodriguez. Ladies, thank you for spending time with me.
Thank you for having us.
We ended last week talking about the baby shower.
Yes.
I want to talk about the zones, the 4 zones, the impetus for starting them, your hopes, your outcomes. Tell me why and where and who and all the details.
Okay, so our health commissioner, who is Aaron Bishop, received a grant from the Ohio Department of Health to start health improvement zones. This was an initiative that came through the Ohio Department of Health that kind of funneled down to the local health departments. We began in November of 2022 with this initiative. We received a grant of $450,000 from the Ohio Department of Health to begin the Youngstown Health Improvement Zones. We strategically chose parts of town, well, each part of town is represented, but we strategically chose locations throughout the city to place our community health advocates in those zones. So we have 4 zones. We have 4 sides of town: east, south, north, and west. And each side of town is represented by a community health worker.
I know your title, which is Director.
Yes, ma'am.
Of the community outreach program itself, but you are also a community worker, but a doula, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that. Now, for the 4 zones, the one on the north side is at the Eugenia Atkinson Center.
Yes.
West side is at Grace Evangelic on Mahoning Avenue.
Yes.
East side is McGuffey, and south side is Needle's Eye, correct?
Yes.
We're going to put the addresses for each of those. Are there specific hours that those individuals are there, or are they there every day for 5 days a week? Let's talk about the availability.
Well, it all depends. 2 of our community health workers are active with the Mahoning County Pathways Hub. So they do home visiting with our expecting mothers and those who have had babies. So they're in and out. Our east side and our south side location, the same thing, because we do a lot of community outreach. So we ask our community residents to call, and they can come into the center. They're usually there between the hours of 8 and 4.
We're going to continue with that because that is so important, availability for your staff to be able to meet the needs of the community at each of those individual sites. Okay. Stay with us. There's more to come as far as what's going on with these hubs and what's available. I'm Dee Crawford, Community Affairs Director, WKBN.
Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay Watson. Thanks for watching the WKBN 27 First News YouTube channel. If you want more video news, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the WKBN 27 First News app for breaking news alerts.